Hey, Vince Arcuri, 1337 Chesapeake Drive here in Odessa. This is one of the most spectacular houses you're ever gonna see. If you want something on lakefront property out here, which is what Odessa is famous for, and you want lower Pasco County property taxes, this is the house for you. Come in, take a look at this property and let me know what you think. Come on in, follow me. Well, what'd you think? Beautiful home, isn't it? If you'd like a private tour, just give me a call at 813-VINCENT. That's 813-846-2368. I hope to hear from you soon.